Welcome back to Let's Draw. Today we're going to do another quick draw. Today we're doing an incandescent light bulb. So to start, we're going to do the connector at the bottom. And the bottom connector, we just need to make sure it's kind of equidistant. Little line that it goes as high on one side as it does the other. And then we're going to make some ridges where the screw-in piece is. So for me, I might do something like some mountains. And I could do the same thing on each side. And they don't have to be perfect, but being pretty close to where each other would be is good. The more you care about the drawing, the more you may want to just sketch it out a little bit. At the very bottom, there's going to be a conductivity metal. So there's a little kind of rounded piece at the bottom where it connects into the fixture. And then we need to make sure we can see the screw-ins. So we'll just put some lines in like this to signify this is a screw-in top. Now you may have noticed I made a line error. No big deal. That's what the eraser's for. We're going to darken all this back in and just straighten out the lines later on anyhow. So for the light bulb, we're just going to bring the light bulb up. And then we're going to round it out into kind of a circular shape. So something like this. You want to be pretty even if you can be. It doesn't have to be perfect, especially when you're drawing kind of cartoony like this. All right. We'll get rid of those little lines when we clean everything up. A couple final things. We want to draw that connection, that metal piece, just to wrap it around. I'm not even going to have it touch, but just to show it's there. And then in a light bulb, there's usually a filament. One incandescent light bulb, there's a filament. And there's usually a little piece of non-conductivity that's in the bottom here. And then a wire runs up into the center of the light bulb, loops over, and then kind of connects back down. If you want to get really funky, you can do kind of a little sawtooth or something in the middle there. And that's your basic light bulb. A little circle at the top. This is the print that tells you how many watts. And then we do the same on the other side. Good. And there you have a light bulb. So I'm going to just clean up some of the lines, and then I'll darken in with a marker, and we will be done. All right, so we've wrapped up. We've cleaned up all the extra lines. We have highlighted and outlined the spots we wanted to, and we have a light bulb. I really appreciate you. Thank you very much for being with us. If you're enjoying the drawings, please like and subscribe. Thank you. Have a great day.